Hi all, welcome back to the dungeon. And it's not that these videos are popular, I just really like making them. So this time I have a how to create a Litecoin paper wallet, and let's get started. Alright, so this is going to be just as easy as the Bitcoin paper wallet example in one of my other videos. It's almost like a fork of it, just looking at this code and everything, but very simple. So all you want to do is just go to the liteaddress.org GitHub, which I'll provide that link in the description. Then you're going to want to go over here to code. Then you're going to want to download the zip. All right. Also, after you download that zip, you're going to want to basically disconnect your computer or whatever you're using from the internet. You don't want to be doing this online, just for safety purposes. Then once you have that downloaded, you're going to want to extract the zip, and then you should see these contents. From there, it's pretty simple. You're just going to want to go to index here. Let's click on that. And then just like the one for Bitcoin, you're just going to want to move the cursor around to generate some random characters to help create that private key for you. So pretty quick and easy. And then you should have your secret key here. You should have your public address here, and then you're pretty much good to go. You can print it and you're done. So there we go. Now you have a Litecoin paper wallet. Now, one caveat is I don't know how secure this truly is. Last time I checked online, I saw somebody review it back in 2021 and they said that it was okay. So please take everything that I've just taught you with a grain of salt. I do like to make my how-to short and sweet, but I am giving you an option here. You can either stay and watch a little ad that I have for my latest sponsor, or you can fast forward to the end or just click off the video. If you made it past that super shilly ad, then great. Thank you. Comment, like, share, and as always, peace.